It's just weird holding the camera up and left, right, straight.
Yeah. Wait for the sliders for that one.
Which one? Oh, okay.
Going over the log. But this is a big picture posing spot.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I mean, I would definitely go up the hill.
Yeah.
Oh, it's almost dead already. They're just all more difficult. Like, I haven't seen anything that's, like, not more difficult.
Yeah.
That's what this handle's for. Before we go, we have to drive back down that big hill.
Yeah. I'll walk down and video you.
Oh, you drive down and I'll walk down and video. You have fun, Obs? Oh, God. You want to go up and watch, or do you gotta watch the ruts on the route?
What's that?
Oh, I was saying. Oh, shit. Really close. This is awesome.